Alright, let's cut right to the chase. You're here because you heard about the new videoexpress and you're looking for the best possible deal. You want to skip the fake coupon codes and get straight to the real offer, right? Good. You come to the right place. I've seen all the bogus sites promising huge discounts that don't exist. The truth is, with a major product launch like this from a creator like Paul Pana, the best price isn't hidden behind a random coupon code. It's available directly through a special launch period link. I've put that official launch discount link right at the top of the description below. Clicking that link is the only way to lock in the lowest one-time price. It automatically applies the best deal for you, no code needed. And let's be clear about what you're getting. This is a one-time payment. No monthly fees, no surprise subscriptions. That's one of the biggest reasons Paul Pana's software is so popular. Plus, it's completely risk-free. You're fully protected by a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. If you're not blown away by it, you get a full refund. It's that simple. Now, what is videoexpress? This isn't just another video editor. It's a full-blown AI video creation suite. We're talking about turning a simple keyword, an article, or any piece of text into a stunning, fully produced video in under 3 minutes. So, to wrap this up, stop searching for fake coupons. The absolute best deal on videoexpress is through the official link in the description. It's a one-time price, it's 100% risk-free, and it gives you a powerful tool to dominate video marketing. If this video helped you cut through the noise, a quick thumbs up is always appreciated. Now, go click that link and see the power of this AI for yourself.